Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and hope you're having an amazing day. So now it's almost the end of 2020 and we are going to enter to 2021. Now I hope 2021 brings less torturing to us, cross fingers. In today's video I'll be showing you this look. It is a kind of party glam look which you can use on 31st. So I've decided to choose this look because of 31st party, and hope you like the video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And those who are new to the channel, if you like, please subscribe and share also. Now let's get back to the video. I'll use my Nykaa palette. I'm gonna use this in my under eye to cover all the dark circles which I have right now. Also, I'm gonna use this here a little bit. And now I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend it. Now I have soaked it in water and removed the excess water. So now it, normal size is this, and now you can see it's double the size. Now after doing this, I'm gonna use my foundation which I've recently bought. It's inside Makeup Essentials, which have an SPF 15 in it, and it has a luminous finish and it is a liquid foundation. Now I'm gonna use this one. Also, I'm gonna test results of this foundation. I'm gonna apply it using a brush. And now using a beauty blender, I'm gonna give it a finish. See, now it's properly blended, and now I'm gonna use the inside concealer which I've got recently. Now this is in the shade Golden Sand 04. Now it works as if you press it from this side, and here it has a brush, and see the concealer. I'm gonna apply. Blend it properly. Again, I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend it. I'm gonna set my makeup using a powder. The powder, loose powder, which I'm gonna use is Lakme Rose Powder, and it has a sunscreen in it also. I've applied it using this brush. And I'm gonna keep it for 5 minutes. Till then, I'm gonna do my brows. So now for the brows, I'm using the half and half eyebrow artist pencil. It has a brush on one side and a applier on the other side. My eyebrows are done, and now I'm gonna remove the excess powder. I'm gonna use a contour stick to contour my cheek lines. Now this I'm using is the Nika. It's in the shade 07. Basically, I think it's a foundation stick. Blended everything well, and now I'm gonna use the Savannah contouring palette. Using a brush, I'm just gonna add the details. And for the nose, I'm gonna use a smaller brush. And with a bigger brush, I'm just gonna dust off the extra. And it's done. Now I'm gonna add some blush. Make sure you use a natural blush. And with a setting spray, I'm gonna set my makeup. And I'm gonna let it dry for at least 5 minutes. Now the setting spray had dried. Now with a smaller blush, I'm gonna use a highlighter. Now this is the Miss Claire Bake highlighter. My face is highlighted. Now for the eyes, I'm gonna keep it simple but glamorous. So now I'm gonna apply some concealer on my eyelids using a brush. Now I'm gonna use Savannah Color Obsession palette, and in this I am gonna use this brush and use the brown shade. Now I'm gonna use the dark brown shade and just press it lightly and merge it. It should look like this. Now I'm gonna apply the silver on my inner corners. after doing it will look like this. And take a very small brush, use the same brown shade which you have used earlier, and apply it under your eye. Now I'm gonna apply my false lashes off camera. So see you. Now, as you can see, I've applied lashes, liner, and kajal also. Now, this is the complete eye look which you'll be getting. Now, for the lipstick, using this red shade. It is in the shade, I don't know what it is. Dark Era, 18 Dark Era, and I'll be using this. And I've applied it. So this is my final look. I hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, please hit it, press the like button. And if you have any queries related to the video, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you really like the video, please give it a share also, and see you guys next time.